Oh, welcome back, y'all. So we're not in the garage today, but I just want to make a quick little video, and I guess you can call it an unboxing. I've already opened it, but this is really cool, and let's just look at who it's addressed to. It's addressed to LS Swapberry from Elgin Industries, and I called Elgin up because I was wanting more information on the sloppy stage 3 cam that I was planning on buying, and spoiler alert, I have it, which y'all will see soon enough why I had to get another cam. But anyways, I talked to Scott up there at customer service, and he is super cool dude. Like, I've talked to him for probably a good hour. I've called him a couple times. I told him about my channel. He started watching my videos, and I basically was like, you know, the whole point of this YouTube thing is just to get people to send me parts. And he was like, well, we can't really send you parts. We did that for Matt Happel and Richard Holdner like a couple times, but I can send you some swag. I was like, yeah, that's great. So I finally got it, and I'm amazed. I was expecting like a shirt and, you know, a couple stickers or something, but dude, he sent me so much stuff. So I've got hats. I got 2 hats, and then I got a couple shirts. I got an Elgin apron, which that is really cool, and it'll actually fit me. That's pretty awesome. So I got an apron with some cool little pockets. I got some Elgin shirts. Proudly essential. And sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Got Elgin Industries on the back. So that is so awesome. I got a bunch of stickers. Here's another shirt. Here's the same one. Really good stickers. That's huge. And like a whole bunch of them. Like, this is great. Oh, it's so awesome. A catalog. What? Dude, so many cool stickers. Like, look at these. This is awesome. Like, that's a whole stack of them. Look at all this. Pens. Oh, this is great. This is so awesome. I'm going to use these so much at work. That's so cool. So, Scott, if you see this, you are awesome. Like, seriously. This is great. I can't tell you how stoked I am about this. So, yeah. I'm definitely going to slap a bunch of these stickers on my toolbox and, you know, probably throw one under the hood. I'm definitely going to throw one of these under the hood. Yeah. I'll probably put that one under there. That's going to look really good next to the Heartbeat of Japan sticker. And, yeah, you're awesome, Scott. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching the channel. And this is great. Can't tell you how excited I am about this. So, thank you so much. You're the shit. So, otherwise, I'm going to throw in a little channel update, since it's been a while since I've posted a video, and there's a lot of stuff that's happened. I've got one edited for the most part that I'm about to put up. I just have to record a little clip at the end because I lost the footage, or the camera didn't record whatever happened at the very end. We'll give a little spoiler alert that it's a motor teardown video. So, as you can see, I have a $7.99 head right here. I actually have 2 of them. So, if you know what those came on, then you should know what I have now. And I'll give another spoiler alert that this is not the engine that's in the car right now. This is actually going to be the 3rd motor. I'm behind a whole lot. But right now I'm about to lap the valves. And this supposedly had low compression in this cylinder. I did a leak down. I could feel just a little bit of air coming past the exhaust valve. So I'm going to lap the valves, and hopefully that fixes the problem. You should be seeing a video here soon of the motor teardown. I'm probably just going to go ahead and put this video up real quick and just get it out there, since it's been taking me so long to post anything. So stay tuned. Fair warning, it's like an hour long. So when I edited it, I wanted to split it up in 2, but it didn't work out too well, and it just kind of kept going, and it's just one big long video. So, if you like sitting through, you know, teardown videos of me ranting, and it's kind of boring, but I don't know, hopefully, you know, some people are into that. I like watching people's teardown videos. I'll sit there and listen to people talk to the camera for an hour, but I don't know. We'll see how it does. I know a lot of my videos don't have a very good retention rate, but I'm going to compile all that into one and just get it out there, and then I've got some other stuff after that that I'm trying to get edited and uploaded. So until then, here's just a little short update video of what's going on and my cool swag pack I got from Scott at Elgin Industries. He's great. So I definitely appreciate that and the support. Let's just say that I am very happy with that sloppy stage 3 cam so far. It sounds awesome. Hopefully y'all will hear a clip of that here soon. But as always, I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks for subscribing. We'll see y'all in the next one. Later, y'all.